So I had purchased this second hand from someone and it didn't come with instructions, so I downloaded from the internet. I downloaded these instructions which are for Charger-Mat Pro, but this device is not the same as Charger-Mat 2 which I have. So this is fairly easy to use. I mean, one side just plugs onto the wall and the other side goes onto the car on the cigarette lighter. As you can see, it goes through a closed door, so it's fine. One thing you should keep in mind when doing this is connect the car side first and the wall side later, and then you have to press this mode button. So as you can see, this is not working right now, and I had some issues with this mode button even yesterday, but I kept on playing with it and it started working. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Yesterday when I connected it, the battery was on the middle one, and now I can see it's going between middle and high. If I just keep it there for long enough, you're gonna see that it's gonna be between, it's gonna go to medium, then gonna go back to high again. There you go. Yeah, so mode button was not working, but I made it work, and I guess it's not working anymore again. But I don't care, it's working now. Alright, that's it. Thanks.